Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Motorola G32, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place is Niagara Launcher, so just open the Play Store and download it. Click Open. Go it. Agree and continue. Choose favorite apps and click OK. So here we have minimalistic interface with alphabetical line. Alphabetical line makes this launcher really handy to use, and in this way you will like this launcher. Okay, on the second place in my top is O Launcher. As you can see, this launcher is very light. It have a base of 1 megabyte. So click open it, and here we have only favorite apps on the home screen, and here we have the really minimalistic main menu. So if you need to be focused, if you are using this device like a device for work, for example, so this launcher will be helpful for you, because here you can set up only your applications you need to work, and here in the main menu other applications without icons, so nothing can annoy you here. And on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. Click Open, get started, validate in the app, allow, continue, skip, OK, continue, let go. So here we have really great interface, but here we have a glance panel on the left on the left side of our home screen. Here we can stop all our widgets. Here we have main menu with alphabetical line, and here we have hide apps feature. And of course, the best feature of this launcher is the gestures, so you can stop the gesture. For example, I wanna open calculator when I double clicking on my home screen. Oh, calculator was open. So you can set up gestures in the way you want, and if you will try gestures to navigate with your device, you will really like this launcher. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.